Welcome to my channel. Stop right now and answer this honestly. Are you wasting your time? Are you delaying your dreams again? What if your future self is watching you at this exact moment? What would they feel? Proud or disappointed? This is the story of Rayan, an 18-year-old boy with big dreams but weak habits. He wanted success. He wanted respect. He wanted to change his life. But every day, he chose comfort instead of effort. Hours on his phone, endless scrolling, empty promises like, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. One day, his teacher returned his exam paper. He had failed badly. His friends were moving forward, but he was stuck. That moment hurt him deeply. That night, he sat alone in silence. He imagined two futures, one where he worked hard and became successful, another where he stayed lazy and full of regret. Both felt real. Both felt possible. He asked himself, which one will I become? No answer came, only silence. The next morning, his teacher said one line that changed everything. Your future is watching you today. Those words hit him hard. All day, he could not forget them. Every action started to feel important. Every choice started to matter. But change was not easy. His habits were strong. His mind was weak. Still, something had started inside him. A small fire, a small question. What if today really decides everything? Chapter 2. That question followed Rayan everywhere. It stayed in his mind like a shadow. While eating, resting, or scrolling, it whispered again and again, what if today decides everything? At first, he ignored it, but slowly it became louder. One evening, he went to a quiet park to clear his mind. There, he met an old man sitting peacefully on a bench. His name was Mr. Arif. His face looked calm, but his eyes looked sharp. Rayan sat beside him silently. After a few minutes, the old man spoke. You look confused. Rayan was surprised. He shared everything, his failures, his fear, his lazy habits. Mr. Arif listened carefully and then smiled. He said, You are not weak. You are just undisciplined. That sentence hit deep. Rayan felt uncomfortable, but he knew it was true. The old man continued, Start small, but start today. Do not wait for motivation. The next morning, Rayan decided to change. He woke up early with difficulty. His body resisted. His mind made excuses. But he forced himself. He studied for 30 minutes. Only 30. It felt small, but it was powerful. The next day, he repeated it. Some days, he failed. Some days, he succeeded. But slowly, a routine started forming. His sister noticed and said, You look different now. That small sentence gave him strength. Every evening, he met Mr. Arif again. Small talks, deep lessons. Rayan was still far from success, but now he was moving forward. Chapter 3. As days passed, Rayan started feeling a small change inside himself. His focus improved. His thinking became clearer. But success did not come easily. One day, his old friends called him. They invited him to spend the day like before. Movies, games, and wasting time. For a moment, he felt excited. His old habits pulled him back. His mind said, just one day will not matter. He almost agreed. But then a powerful thought stopped him. Your future is watching you today. That sentence echoed in his mind. He paused. He looked at himself. Then he made a different choice. He stayed home and studied. That decision was painful, but it felt strong. Days later, he noticed improvement. He understood his subjects better. His confidence grew slowly, but life tested him again. An important test came. He prepared well. He believed in himself. But when results came, they were average. Not great, not terrible, just average. That result broke his motivation. He felt tired. He felt lost again. That night, he sat quietly, staring at nothing. His mind was full of doubts. Why am I still not successful? Then he remembered Mr. Arif's words. Growth is slow, but quitting is fast. He took a deep breath. He decided not to quit. The next day, he changed his strategy. He studied smarter, not longer. Slowly, things started improving again. Chapter 4. Months passed, and Rayan became more disciplined than before. His habits improved, and his focus became stronger. But a bigger challenge was waiting for him. A major exam was announced. This exam could decide his future. Pressure increased suddenly. Fear returned again. His mind started playing negative thoughts. What if you fail again? What if all this effort is useless? These thoughts were heavy. They slowed him down. But this time, he did not run away. He faced them. He made a clear plan. Daily goals, fixed study hours, no distractions. He followed his plan strictly. Some days were very hard. He felt tired. He felt like giving up. But he remembered his journey. He remembered his past failures. That gave him strength. His family also supported him. His mother encouraged him with kind words. His father, who rarely spoke, said one sentence, I trust your effort. That sentence gave him powerful confidence. Days passed quickly. Nights became shorter. Effort became stronger. Finally, exam day arrived. Rayan walked into the exam hall with a calm mind. His heart was beating fast, but he controlled it. He focused on his paper. He wrote carefully. He gave his best. After finishing, he felt something new. Peace. Not fear, not doubt, just peace. Because he knew one thing. He had done his part honestly. Chapter 5. The result day arrived, and Rayan felt nervous again. His hands were shaking slightly. His heart was beating faster than usual. He opened the results slowly. His eyes moved across the paper carefully. Then suddenly, he saw it. He had passed. Not just passed, but improved greatly. His marks were strong. His effort had finally shown results. For a moment, he could not react. He just stared at the paper silently. Then, a small smile appeared on his face. A real smile. His family became happy. His mother's eyes filled with tears of joy. His sister cheered loudly. His father gave him a proud look. That moment felt special. But something deeper had changed inside him. He realized the real victory was not marks. It was discipline. It was consistency. It was becoming stronger mentally. That was his true success. After that, Rayan started helping others. His friends began asking him for advice. The same people who once wasted time now listened to him seriously. His story started inspiring others. That gave him purpose. He understood that his journey was not finished. It was just the beginning. Bigger challenges were waiting ahead. Bigger dreams were calling him forward. But now, he was ready. Chapter 6. Now, think about those questions again. Are you wasting your time? Maybe yes. Are you delaying your dreams? Maybe yes. But here are the answers. Your future is not built in one day. It is built daily. Every small action matters. Every decision shapes your life. Rayan was not special. He was just aware. He changed his habits. He stayed consistent. That made the difference. If you are feeling lost right now, understand this. You are not alone. Everyone struggles. Everyone feels confused. But winners take action. They start small. They stay consistent. They do not wait for motivation. They create discipline. Your future is watching you right now. Every second matters. Every moment counts. So, what will you do now? Will you continue wasting time? Or will you start working? The choice is yours. Start today. not tomorrow. Take one small step, then another. Keep going. Do not stop. Even when it feels hard, even when you fail, because failure is part of growth. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. Stay focused. Work hard daily and never give up. One day, your future will thank you, and that will be your greatest reward.